Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Happy Trailers, here to give you a PSA about this PSA. This Diamond C premium single axle behind me is one of the coolest single axle trailers on the market. If you want to show up to the trailhead with your side-by-side and impress everyone around you, this is the trailer for you. It's got the standard Diamond C difference maker powder coat, it's got an engineered channel frame, and a bunch of other cool features that I'm going to show you right now. Up front, we got a 2-inch Demco coupler, safety cables, we've got a flip-up jack. The spare tire is an optional feature on this trailer. We spec'd it on this one. It's mounted underneath the toolbox. Inside the toolbox, you got a tool to lower the spare tire. This trailer comes with Rhino straps, which is pretty cool. It's a bit of a tray here on the toolbox and some tie-down loops. Right behind the toolbox over here, there's a switch that you can use to turn on the LED loading lights. This trailer comes standard with a 2 3/8" pipe top rail, and it's got tie-down loops along the sides. And with the Venture Series package, you get a mud guard up here in the front, expanded metal sides, and it comes with all-terrain tires mounted on black aluminum wheels. So there's a couple of reasons why you'd want to have a bifold gate on your trailer. Number one, you'll get better fuel economy, and two, you'll have better visibility behind your trailer. And this is the nicest bifold gate I've ever used. Let me show you why. There's a gas shock that helps you lift the top part of the gate, and the entire gate is spring assisted to make it easy lowering it and lifting it. Learn more about this trailer at happytrailers.com or give us a call to speak to one of our friendly trailer experts who can talk to you about parts, service, financing, or no credit check, rent to own. You'll be glad you did.